Yeah, hey, there are things down there touching me, man. Shit. Okay, so it is now 8 in the morning. I can't say I had a really good sleep. Maybe something was troubling me or what, I don't know. Excuse me. So I can't really say something was troubling me or not. It's a restaurant. But I'm headed for breakfast right now. And I believe the breakfast spread is pretty good at this hotel, so let's see. Hi, good morning. How are you?
What's your room number, please?
Room number is 1120.
Yes. 1120.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Right, so as I said, breakfast spread is pretty good over here. It's quite big. It's well. I like the setup. The setup is pretty good. Check this out. I think I'm gonna have my breakfast outside. Okay, so the breakfast spread is pretty good at the hotel. I'm pretty much impressed. I didn't expect it to be that good. I'm gonna have my breakfast now, and then we're leaving for some water sports. Now I don't know if I'm gonna do water sports today, because quite frankly I'm very unlucky with this stuff, and every time I do something like this I always manage to injure myself, and I don't intend on screwing this trip up. So let's go. Mr. Putra,
How are you?
how are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Always smile.
Very nice, man. Yes. Okay, so we've come to this place called Patara. I don't know if I'm saying that right again, but it's a beach where you can do a lot of water sporting activities. And I'm looking at the beach right now. It's nice. Check this out. From what it looks like, I'm definitely not dressed to do water sports. I think I'm just gonna relax. And I do apologize for ending the vlog last night so abruptly, but you gotta understand, guys, I'm so tired when I travel, especially the first day of travel when I take Abermine. It completely drains me. Okay, so our first activity that we're gonna do today is visit Turtle Island. I have no clue what it is, so I really can't explain it to you guys. Let's find out. I might do parasailing, it all depends. Like I said, I have completely not dressed for this, so let's see. Turtle Island. So you need to take a boat from here. Apparently one boat can carry 11 people. So we take a boat and go to the island.
Your band will be gone.
Not really.
Jellyfish.
Yeah, hey, there are things down there touching me, man. Yeah, na?
Crabs are there.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Let's go from here, boss. Shit. Oh no. Okay, there's something under the water that's really kind of grabbing our legs. Oh,
Oh
shit.
shit! Oh shit!
Oh no. Okay. So that was the little boat ride that brings you. So this is Crab Island. And
Turtle
sorry,
Island.
Turtle Island. Sorry, it's Turtle Island. And we're about to see not only turtles, but there are about some more wild animals and birds over here. Dude, there's something over here, bro, I swear.
You walk fast, then it won't come.
Oh shit.
Don't eat it. They don't touch it.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
You can put directly in your mouth.
She's dead.
Oh yeah.
This is a bird. We call it no inhibited, just the shell, right?
Touch the screen so it focuses on the oyster.
Very good.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, thank you, thank you. How was the experience, Jansi?
The experience was nice. The animal, the turtle is actually quite heavy, but it's pretty friendly as well. Good experience. I recommend everybody to come here and do it, especially with K-Line holidays. We just got done with the Turtle Island, right?
Yeah.
Turtle Island. Believe me, it is a good experience, and what I really liked is that the people over here, the guides and all inside, are very nice. They proactively tell you, you know, do you want to touch the birds? Do you want to hold the bat? Do you want to play with the turtle? Do you want to kiss the python? Well, not kiss the python. I did that by myself. Little rash move, but little dangerous move. But I think in life you need to take risks. I mean, learn to live. So I don't know if you guys watch my YouTube video and my vlogs, then you know I stayed at this hotel in Abu Dhabi called the Yas Viceroy. And one of their mottos on all their key cards they write, remember to live. Alright, so we just got done with lunch. Okay, there's something on my camera. So we just got done with lunch, and a lot of guests did the water sport. I, like I mentioned, did not, and choose not to, because I'm not dressed, but you already know that. I think now we're going to go back to the hotel and relax for a bit, and then in the evening we guys are going for a kind of a cruise, like a dinner.